For those who are not familiar with Delivery, it is a powerful all-in-one online food ordering management system designed to boost the efficiency of your food delivery operations, from order taking to food preparation, and from dish assembly to order delivery. Visit Delivery.com to learn more about Delivery. In this video, we will show you how to customize your Delivery food ordering website to match your brand identity guidelines. Let's create your food ordering website with Delivery if you haven't done this yet. Log into your Delivery admin panel, select Domains, and then click on your domain. Here, select the Create an Integrated Food Ordering Website on the Delivery platform option. You can choose to create it with your domain name if you wish. Click on the Save Settings button. It's important. Now, wait up to 5 minutes to get your food ordering website created by Delivery. Click the ordering website URL to visit it. Although the website is ready to accept the orders, you may consider changing its title, tagline, colors, and fonts to match your brand style. In our example, we've created a sushi delivery website, norisushi.delivery.com. Now let's adjust its look and feel. Once your food ordering website is created, it will appear in the Website Management menu section. Click on its Properties and select Branding. Replace the website title and website tagline with your website name and slogan. Now upload its logo and favicon. Click on the Save Changes button. Reload your website page to see the result. Now replace the website name and accent color. Click Save and check the changes again. Set the website background color and menu items background color. Continue with adjusting the text color scheme and typography to get the desired result. Save the changes and reload your website to see the results. You can also add footer images, your brand logo for instance, or logos of the credit cards your website accepts. Please follow the link in the description of this video to learn how to accept credit cards on your food ordering website.